So you have been contributing to your 401k plans for years, maybe with some matching contributions from your employer. And now it's time to access that money. But how do you go about it? Let's break it down from your options. First, if you're over 59 and a half, you can typically start withdrawing without facing the decade early withdrawal fee. But remember, there are still a few things to consider, like tax implications and how much you're taking out. There are two main types of withdrawals you'll need to think about: withdrawals during retirement or pre retirement withdrawals. Let's look at each. During retirement, when you reach retirement age, you will have options to receive your money. You can set up periodic payments monthly, quarterly, or annually based on your balance and how long you want to receive those payments. Or you can opt for a lump sum distribution, either partially or in full. Keep in mind, not all plans offer all of these options, so check with your plan administrator. If you're going for a full lump sum, you might want to consider rolling it over into another retirement account to avoid paying taxes right away. But no matter which method you choose, be mindful of the risks. You could run out of money or withdraw too little and struggle to cover living expenses. Now, let's talk about pre retirement withdrawals. This is where things get a little more complicated. If you are under 59 and a half, withdrawing funds early typically means a 10% penalty on top of regular taxes, but there are exceptions to this rule. You can withdraw money, penalty fee, if you're facing unreimbursed medical expenses, paying or higher education costs, or buying your first home, among others. You will still owe taxes, though, unless you're taking from a Roth account. If you're considering borrowing from your 401k, you can take out a loan up to USD 50,000, but keep in mind that any money you borrow will miss out on potential investment growth. The bottom line: think carefully before withdrawing. Early withdrawals can hurt your long term retirement savings. Instead, consider alternatives like reducing your spending, taking a home quality loan, or negotiating payment terms with creditors. Remember, planning is key to ensuring you don't outlive your retirement funds. It's always a good idea to meet with a financial advisor or help build a strategy that fits your goals. That is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and finance tips.